Kiki! Kiki! Ah, c'est bon.
Bento Kronen Light.
Allez, Kiki. Kiki.
And there's the favorite Silver Prince.
And we have a late entry named Mr. Quiggly.
Is he wearing running shoes?
It is legal, I believe.
And they're off. It's Queen's Hurricane out front. Silver Prince on his heels. But wait, Mr. Quiggly is coming around the outside. Look at that little guy go. It's gonna be Quiggly! What?
Let's do it.
He's walking across the finish line.
The new midfoot strike Skechers Go Run. Go like never before.
What do you mean you want a new contract?
Oh, favourite recipe sausages.
They're the new range from Wolves.
Whoa, succulent pork, tasty sausage seasoning.
Table.
Look, cat!
New favourite recipe sausages from Walls. So tasty there'll be trouble.
Hey, nice dog.
Yeah, this is Piper, purebred border collie. Watch this. Piper, fetch. Good boy, Piper. You're such a smart dog. So, what can your dog do?
Fergus, Bud Light.
Bad dog. For the great taste that won't fill you up and never lets you down. Make it a Bud Light.
Discover card? I'm not a Discover customer, but I'm calling about that credit scorecard. Give it to me. Give it.
Oh, sure. We give it to everyone for free.
Oh, well, that's nice. Now go get it.
You can go get it yourself online and see your credit score right there.
Great. Oh, it's a good boy.
Thanks. Oh, and you can even see how your current card compares to others out there.
Wow, convenient. Ooh, somebody wants a belly rub.
What now?
Get yours at discover.com/credit scorecard. Free for everyone, even if you're not a customer.
Your dog. He's just having one of his dog dreams. If you think that's weird, you should see my dad.
Yep, that's weirder.
Max, you're killing me.
Hey, everybody jamming. Hey, man. She jamming? They jamming too. Can a brother get a Bud Light, man?
For the great taste that won't fill you up and never lets you down. Make it a Bud Light.
Whassup?
What's up? What's up?
Oh man, we are not alone.